Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlid Guide. I am Saurav Oakley and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic verbal and non-verbal communication on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Oakley from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Communication is a process of exchanging ideas, thoughts, information, knowledge, etc. between sender and receiver through dash dash. Options are A. Powerful codes, B. Interested codes, C. Unaccepted codes, or D. Accepted codes. Correct option is D. Accepted codes. Question number 2. What do you mean by verbal and non-verbal communication? Options are A. Types or kinds of communication, B. Aspects of communication, C. Purposes of communication, or D. Aims of communication. Correct option is A. Types or kinds of communication. Question number 3. What does verbal communication refer to? Options are A. Spoken communication, B. Written communication, C. Use of only verbs in communication, or D. Spoken or oral and written communication. Correct option is D. Spoken or oral and written communication. Question number 4. What is non-verbal communication? Options are A. Written communication, B. One-way communication, C. Horizontal communication, or D. Communication without words or body language. Correct option is D. Communication without words or body language. Question number 5. What do we call for body posture, movements of eye, head, hand, finger, lips, touch, etc.? Options are A. Body language, B. Physical language, C. Difficult language, or D. Simple language. Correct option is A. Body language. Question number 6. Dash dash type of communication includes body language, images, sounds, symbols, colors, and signs. Options are A. Vertical communication, B. Horizontal communication, C. Verbal communication, or D. Non-verbal communication. Correct option is D. Non-verbal communication. Question number 7. An effective act of communication makes use of both the dash dash aspects of communication. Options are A. Oral and written, B. Formal and informal, C. Verbal and non-verbal, or D. Letters and emails. Correct option is C. Verbal and non-verbal. Question number 8. Group discussion, interviews, presentations, lectures, telephone calls, public speech, teleconferences, or video conferences are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Aims of communication, B. Verbal or oral communication, C. Non-verbal communication, or D. Sender and receiver of communication. Correct option is B. Verbal or oral communication. Question number 9. Email, internet websites, letters, proposals, telegrams, faxes, postcards, contracts, WhatsApp message, diary writing, journal, magazine, newspaper, and literary books are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Verbal or oral communication, B. Non-verbal communication, C. Public communication, or D. Written communication. Correct option is D. Written communication. Question number 10. Formal and informal kinds of communication are dependent on the dash dash. Options are A. Aims of communication, B. Context of communication, C. Process of communication, or D. Barriers of communication. Correct option is B. Context of communication. Question 11. The way you speak or write to your siblings or your friends is an example of dash dash. Options are A. One-way communication, B. Formal communication, C. Informal communication, or D. Written communication. Correct option is C. Informal communication. Question number 12. Communication with teachers, officers, employers is called dash dash. Options are A. One-way communication, B. Formal communication, C. Written communication, or D. Informal communication. Correct option is B. Formal communication. Question number 13. What type of communication takes place in professional or business contexts? Options are A. One-way communication, B. Written communication, C. Informal communication, or D. Formal communication. Correct option is D. Formal communication. Question 14. What kind of communication is used at job interview, a meeting of organization, and a dinner hosted by dignitaries? Options are A. Formal communication, B. One-way communication, C. Written communication, or D. Informal communication. Correct option is A. Formal communication. Question 15th. All the invitees or ladies and gentlemen are requested to report at the reception as soon as possible. The declaration is an example of dash dash communication. Options are A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Horizontal, or D. Vertical. Correct option is A. Formal. Question 16. Guys and girls or high friends get to the reception ASAP, that is as soon as possible. The announcement is an example of dash dash communication. Options are A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Horizontal, or D. Vertical. Correct option is B. Informal. Question 17th. What kind of communication takes place at a friend's party or marriage, family dinner, and college canteen? Options are A. Informal, B. Formal, C. Horizontal, or D. Vertical. Correct option is A. Informal. Question 18. What kind of communication is used in the written and spoken forms? Options are A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Formal or informal, or D. Friendly. Correct option is C. Formal or informal. Question 19th. The act of reading a book is an example of dash dash type of communication. Options are A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Two-way, or D. One-way. Correct option is D. One-way. Question 20. In dash dash communication, the receiver cannot give feedback or response to the sender. Options are A. Two-way, B. Upward, C. One-way, or D. Downward. Correct option is C. One-way. Question 21. In two-way communication, the receiver dash dash the feedback to the sender. Options are A. Able to or can send, B. Cannot send, C. Fails to send, or D. Don't send. Correct option is A. Able to or can send. Question 22. What kind of communication is used between two or more people or groups? Options are A. Formal, B. Formal or informal, C. Informal, or D. Non-verbal. Correct option is B. Formal or informal. Question 23. A job interviews or a group or panel discussion is an example of dash dash communication. Options are A. Upward, B. Non-verbal, C. One-way, or D. Two-way. Correct option is D. Two-way. Question 24. Non-verbal communication is used or helps to support dash dash communication. Options are A. Oral or verbal, B. Written, C. One-way communication, or D. Upward communication. The correct option is A. Oral or verbal. Question 25. Dash dash communication is the demand of modern industry. Options are A. Written, B. Oral, C. Oral and written, or D. Formal and informal. Correct option is C. Oral and written. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.